P and Q are partners in a firm. Their balance sheet as on 31st March 2014 was as follows. So here P and Q are old partners. So ratios is not there. If in the absence of the old ratios, revaluation account profit or loss, accumulated profit or loss, share equally among the old partners. Now come to the liability side. Capitals and reserve fund transferred to partners capital account credit side, and creditors and bank loan transferred to new balance sheet. Next, asset side, all the assets transferred to new balance sheet except profit and loss account. So profit or loss, actually it is loss, so transferred to partners capital account debit side, and it should be share in old ratio. So old ratio is not there, so this PL account we have to share equally among the old partners. Now come to the additional information. So additional information on 1/4/2014, R is admitted into partnership firm on the following conditions. He should bring rupees 40,000 as capital and 9,000 towards a goodwill, and goodwill withdrawn by the old partners. So any adjustment regarding capitals, goodwill recorded under partners capital account, and remaining adjustment under revaluation account. So depreciate machinery and motor car, so revaluation account debit side. Provision for doubtful debt is to be maintained at 5% on debtors and bills receivable. So provisions we have to calculate on debtors and even for on bills receivable. So revaluation account debit side. Appreciation building and investment, so revaluation account credit side. Commission receivable is an income, revaluation account credit side. Next, interest received in advance. So income received in advance treated as a liability. So first under revaluation account debit side we have to record, and again in a balance sheet liability side. Next, prepare necessary ledger account, means a revaluation account, partners capital account we have to prepare, and then the new balance sheet of the firm. So in this question, so old ratio is not there. So in the absence of old ratio, revaluation account profit or loss, accumulated profit or loss, share among the old partners equally. And even goodwill brought by the new partner in the form of cash, that goodwill you have to share among the old partners equally. So first revaluation account we have to prepare. So revaluation account prepared with the help of adjustment. So this account shows the increase and decrease in the value of assets and liabilities. Debit side we have to record all the expenses and losses, and credit side we have to record all the incomes and gains. Now, so in the question, first you will get the balance sheet, that is liabilities and assets, and next adjustments. So additional information. So additional information, that is all adjustments we have to record under the revaluation account except capital and goodwill brought by the new partner. See the first adjustment, depreciate machinery and motor car at 5% and 20% respectively. So depreciation, debit side, so to machinery. So machinery, plant and machinery 30,000, 30,000 into 5%, 1,500. 30,000 into 5%, 1,500. Next, to motor car. So motor car. So motor car account. So motor car 20,000. 20,000 into 5%. 5%. So 20%. So this is 20%. 4,000. Next, provision for doubtful debt is to be maintained at 5% on debtors. So provision for the doubtful debts, debit side. Provision for doubtful debts on the debtors. You know, provision for doubtful debts, RBD, bad debts you have to calculate on debtors amount, that is book debts. So book debts 20,000, 20,000 into 5%, 1,000. Next, appreciate building and investment at 10% and 75% respectively. So it is an appreciation. Appreciation we have to record credit side by buildings account. So buildings 60,000 into 10%, 6,000. Next, investment. So investment 7.5% appreciation, 10,000 into 7.5%, 750. Next, commission receivable is an income. So income side, credit side. So commission account. So commission account 150. Next, interest received in advance rupees 300. So income received in advance, maybe commission, maybe receivable. So this provision on both debtors and bills receivable. So PDD on bills receivable. So bills receivable. So bills receivable. So balance sheet here given 16,000. So 16,000 into 5%, 800. So next, commission receivable. Commission receivable is an income. So credit side. So amount 150. Next, interest received in advance. Maybe rent received in advance, commission received in advance, any income received in advance, that will be treated as a liability. So here in the revaluation account we have to record the debit side. So that is interest received in advance. Interest received in advance, rupees 300. So like this, revaluation account prepared with the help of adjustment. For debit side we have to record all the expenses, losses, and credit side we have to record all the incomes and gains. Now find out the difference amount here, that is revaluation account profit or loss. So highest amount, so debit side is more, that is 1,500, 4,000, 1,800, 300. So total 7,600. So in 7,600, so expenses are more here, 7,600. In that we have to minus income. 7,600 minus 6,000, 750, 150. So this will be the loss. So loss is 700. So this revaluation account loss transfer to old partners capital account. Transfer to old partners capital account. So old partners. So P and Q here. So P and Q. In this question, ratios is not there. There is old ratio. So in the absence of old ratio, this revaluation account profit we can share equally among the partner, that is 350. Now come to the second step, partners capital account. So P, Q, R is a new partner. So P, Q, R, here the new partner. So this is combined partners capital account. So under combined partners capital account, first we have to record their capitals which has given in the balance sheet. So old balance sheet. So here liability side. So balance brought down. So P and Q, the capitals 70,000. Next 50,000. Next R, new partner, he has brought the capital in the form of cash. So that is available in the adjustment. So he has brought 40,000 as a capital. 40,000 as a capital in the form of cash. And next another two items which has given in the old balance sheet, that is general reserve, reserve fund, profit and loss. So reserve fund he has given. So reserve fund he has given liability side. So here we have to share among the old partners in the old ratio. Old ratio is not there, so we can share equally among the partners. 16,000. So in that share equally 8,000 each partner. Next again, so profit and loss account in the balance sheet he has given asset side. So it is a loss. So loss here we have to share debit side. So PL account. So profit and loss account 5,000 he has given. Ratio is not there. So equally we have to distribute 2,500. So first capitals of a partner, then reserve fund and profit and loss account which has given in the balance sheet. Now come to the adjustment. So it is revaluation account. So under revaluation account you got loss here. So loss transferred to partners capital account. So opposite side, that is debit side, to a revaluation account. So revaluation account. So this is loss. So loss 350. Next goodwill. You know, compulsory goodwill we have to record under partners capital account. So this goodwill brought by the new partner in the form of cash, and this goodwill amount we have to share among the old partners in the sacrifice ratio. Sacrifice ratio is not there. So in the absence of sacrifice ratio, we can assume old ratio itself as a sacrifice ratio. So here the equally we are distributing here. So goodwill he has brought 9,000. So this 4,500. And next again, goodwill is to be withdrawn by the old partner. So this goodwill brought by the new partner and that goodwill withdrawn by the old partners means they have taken the cash here. So you deduct the cash. So same 4,500 and 4,500. So this balance is goodwill withdrawn. So first capitals of old partners we have to record. Then reserve fund, a PL account, revaluation account, goodwill. If this goodwill withdrawn, debit side we have to record. So after passing this entries, we have to close this partners capital account here. So credit side is more 70 plus 80, 78 plus 4,000, 82,500. Next 58, 62,500, and this is 40,000. 82,000 500, 62,500 and extra 40,000. So for 82,500, in that you minus these values 2,500, 350 and 4,500. 75,150. So 62,500 minus 2,500 minus 350 minus 4,500. 55,150, and this is 40,000. Now this is the final balance of a partner's transfer to balance sheet. So this transfer to balance sheet. So we can transfer here. So balance brought down 75,150, 55,150 and extra 40,000. So this is combined partners capital accounts. So any transactions, any entries related to partners, those entries we have to record compulsory under the partners capital account. And next goodwill account. So as per case 1, as per situation 1, goodwill brought in the form of cash and that goodwill withdrawn by the old partners. See here, so as per case 1 only, so goodwill amount we have shared among the old partners. So here debit side, so to a P's capital account, so P's capital account, so P 4,500 and to Q's capital account 4,500. So total 9,000 here. So this goodwill brought by the new partner, we have shared in their sacrifice ratio. And this 9,000 withdrawn by the old partners, that is in the form of cash. So this cash withdrawn by the old partners. So here we can close it here. So 9,000. So this 9,000 withdrawn by the old partners in the form of cash, that is cash account. Cash account, so it is goodwill withdrawn. So this is withdrawn. So this is 9,000. Now, so if it is goodwill withdrawn, we should not show the goodwill amount in the balance sheet. Next up, the new balance sheet. So new balance sheet prepared with the help of old balance sheet along with the adjustment. So here we have to revise the assets and liabilities which is given in the old balance sheet and the adjustment. So as per the old balance sheet, first we have to revise the liabilities. So liabilities first, so capitals. So capitals as per step 2 we have to record. So capital as per step 2. So capital P, Q and R. So P, Q and R. 75,150, 55,150 and 40,000. So as per step 2. And then the liability side, creditors he has given. So creditors no adjustment here. So if no adjustment, we can take same amount 40,000. Next bank loan. So bank loan also there is no adjustment. If you get any interest, so interest will be added along with the bank loan here, but there is no adjustment here, 25,000. Next reserve fund. So reserve fund already we have taken under the partners capital account. So under balance sheet liability side, reserve fund, a PL account we have to ignore. Now come to the asset side. So asset side, as per old balance sheet, asset side, cash and bank balance. So cash and bank balance 10,000, write it in the inner column, and R's capital. So R's capital. So capital he has brought 40,000. So total 50,000 here. So here we have not taken the goodwill amount because goodwill amount is withdrawn by the old partners. Next debtors, that is book debts. So book debts, you got adjustment 20,000. So in that less PDD. So as per step 1 revaluation account, you got adjustment. So PDD you have to minus. So PDD on debtors is 1,000. So 19,000. So always and the debtors amount we have to minus PDD provisions. Next, motor car. So motor car also as per step 1, that is revaluation account, you got adjustment, that is depreciation. So depreciation 4,000 you have to minus 20,000 less depreciation 4,000, 16,000. So motor car depreciation 4,000. Next, plant and machinery. So plant and machinery also you got adjustment. So 30,000 as per step 1. As per step 1 you got depreciation. Depreciation on machinery 1,500, 28,500. Next, buildings. So buildings, you got adjustment 60,000. So as per step 1, add appreciation. So appreciation on a building, so revaluation account 6,000, 66,000. Next, investment. So investment also you got adjustment, that is appreciation. So investment 10,000. So add appreciation as per step 1. Appreciation investment is 750. So 10,750. Next, bills receivable. So bills receivable also you got adjustment. So 16,000. So as per adjustment less PDD, that is as per step 1. So PDD is 800. So 15,200. Next, so profit and loss. So profit and loss already we have taken under the second step, partners capital account. So like this, so new balance sheet prepared with the help of old balance sheet along with the adjustment. See, whatever the adjustments we have made under revaluation account, so all adjustments we have to record. See, under revaluation account we have taken all the adjustments except 2, that is commission receivable. So here commission receivable is treated as a asset. So commission receivable. So commission receivable 150. And next, income received in advance. Interest received in advance is a liability. So interest received in advance. So interest received in advance is 300. So it is adjustments. So next, once again you check the assets here. See, we have missed the stock here, asset side. So assets, stock. So stock, you don't have any adjustment here. So stock 30,000. So like this, after taking all the assets and liabilities, once again we have to recheck the assets and liabilities and adjustments. Now, so we have taken all the assets and liabilities and the adjustments. Now, so find out the answer here. So liabilities and assets should tally. So liabilities, so total 2,35,600. So to know this, all these steps, first of all you have to practice and we have to know the formats of revaluation account, partners capital account and new balance sheet. So I have made separate videos, that is how to prepare a revaluation account, partners capital account and balance sheet. So once if you know all these steps, So easily we can prepare that is revaluation account, partners capital account and a balance sheet. So to prepare all these steps, we have to carry the key points while preparing revaluation account. What are the items we have to record, debit side and credit side, and the partners capital account. What are the entries you have to pass under the partners capital account, and next a balance sheet, how to prepare a new balance sheet. So all I have made this separate the videos, that is revaluation account, partners capital account and the balance sheet.